Nigeria, mama no.
Yeah.
Umuwanye rihe.
Mazi.
Umuwanye rihe.
Mazi.
Iko inyamulaga za kupota maka odindo. His Majesty.
Endowed and achieved essay. His people all over will dearly miss him. This is the end of the biography.
Let them come in and entertain us. Why we will not forget that the press team wouldn't conclude it without actually mentioning Pata Sonye, the man who crucified me. Pata Sonye is also here. Ugochukwu Okoro is also here. For calling Pata Sonye's name late, that's just a carton of Buddha for him. Or shall I say Heineken for him. So thank you very much. And of course, Jim Okoro of Mazi Jim Okoro of BCA, a director with Broadcasting Corporation of Abia State, is also a very strong member of the media managing this event. And Amanabu, that is where Kokoma is. We teach Kokoma in Ugakuma. We try to teach Kokoma. So those who are bringing Kokoma at this arena should have learned from us. Ndi Amanabu, thank you very much. Thank you. Go to your canopy. Thank you very much. Beautiful dance. Beautiful dance. Okoro. Beautiful dance from Amarigo is right away on ground from Amanago village in Arichuku. Amarigo. The Kokoma dance from Ugakuma is led by Jacob Okoro. Because the President General, where is he?